strawberry with clay. And we have these tools to make it. There are many colors of the clay. We're gonna take the red color, dark green, lime green, and yellow. So we'll start with the red color. Let's roll it on the tabletop with one side pointed like this. You can press it with your fingers to give it a shape of a strawberry. I'm pretty sure you must like it because it's my favorite. I love the taste. It's so yummy. Sweet and tangy strawberries. So give it the shape nicely. Take your time. Roll as much as you want. Make sure it looks like a strawberry. That's done. Now let's take the dark green color clay for the leaf. Keep the strawberry aside. Let's cut out a chunk using the small knife. Keep the rest of it aside. Take the chunk and spread it using the roller like this. You can roll a little more to smooth it out and then cut out leaf shapes like this. We'll cut out another one and another one, and we can give it a shape with the fingers. We can cut out as many leaves as we want. And let's put them around the strawberry top like this. We can stick one or two and leave the rest. That give it a natural look. Now we'll roll some more on the tabletop. Cut a piece. That's the stem. First, let's make a hole with the help of a pencil. And the stem goes right in the hole to hold the strawberry. Oh, this is plain strawberry, which is not supposed to be like that. So let's take a pencil and make some pores on the surface like this. You gotta make the pores all over, like this. And now we're gonna take the yellow color clay and make tiny balls like this. Not too big. Like maybe the size of mustard seed. Yeah, that'll be right. We're gonna need a lot more than that, because these balls are going on the pores, so their number should be as many as pores. Now let's pick them up and place on the pores, each one of them. Wow! It looks so delicious already! There we go! Stick them nicely, press a little so that it doesn't come off. Press with your fingers too if needed. The yummy, delicious strawberry is ready! Yay! Alright, so you can also put smaller leaves here if you want. There's a whole bunch of leaves on the top of strawberries, so to make it look more natural, you can do whatever you want. This one's good enough for me though. See you later. Bye-bye. Mango! Hello friends! Today we're gonna make mango! These are the tools we're gonna use. And these are the different colors of the clay. So let's take make the yellow color clay for the mango. Then dark green color for the stem. So let's get started and make mango using the clay. So we're gonna start with the yellow color to make the mango first. So roll it on the tabletop, press it with your fingers. Roll it more. Give it a nice shape. Let's round off the edges. Just like the mango. It's a ripe mango. Keep pressing until we get the right shape. It's narrow at the bottom and broad at the top. We're very close to the actual shape. Actually, we have different kinds of varieties of mangoes of different shapes and sizes. So you can pick your shape, whatever you like. I like this one, so I'm gonna pick up this shape. So our delicious mango fruit is ready. Now we're gonna make the stem, for which let's make a hole, a tiny little hole with the help of the pencil. And for the stem, we're gonna take a dark green clay and roll it on the tabletop like this. And the stem is very thin, so let's take a little bit of clay and try to make it as thin as possible. Let's cut it with a knife, keep the extra clay away, and cut it a little more. And place it in the hole. Now let's make the leaf. Take the dark green color clay, spread it with the roller, press it with your fingers and try to make a leaf shape. And let's attach to the stem. Like this. Oh, it fell off. Make sure it sticks. Maybe we can get a thicker one, so let's make it. Roll it on the tabletop. Cut it with a knife. Let's keep it thick this time. And put it in the hole like this. Now let's try attaching the leaf on the stem. Alright, it stays. Alright, so our mango is ready. The mango is yellow and the stem and the leaf is green. And as I said before, you can make any shape of the mango you like. Alright, see you later.